Installation procedure for IT 2001. Connect the mains cord to the AC supply socket. Turn on the unit by pressing rocker switch. Observe that green indicator light turns on. When control unit is switched on, display turn on. LCD display will indicate Intelligent Tourniquet model IT 2001. Display will further indicate self-diagnosis. To connect PU tube to control unit, press blue ring on the quick start connector and insert PU tube and release blue ring. See that tube does not come off. To connect cuff to control unit, place two connectors in front of each other and press so that click sound is heard. Cuff should be properly tied to the patient. That is, not too loose, not very tight. There should be 2 finger gap. Pressure setting method. LED display for pressure will indicate the previous setting of pressure. Press increment, decrement keys to alter the pressure setting. Time setting method. Press and hold key for time setting. LED displays for time will indicate the previous setting of timing. Press time key, hold and press increment, decrement keys to alter the time setting. Inflating tourniquet method. After pressure and time setting are completed, press the inflate key to inflate. Inflates cuff to the required set pressure and LCD display prompts inflate after pressure has reached the required set value. LCD displays maintaining at set pressure. Please refer recommended settings in user manual. Changing pressure setting during operation method. To change the set pressure, press increment, decrement keys for pressure setting. After pressure setting is completed, tourniquet shall automatically register the new setting and adjust the cuff pressure accordingly. Deflate tourniquet method. Deflating tourniquet method. To deflate cuff, press the deflate key. Pressure display will indicate confirm to deflate. That is CNF for confirming the deflate instruction. Pressing the deflate key second time, pressure display will show deflate and deflate the cuff. To disconnect cuff, from the control unit, press the pin on the female and pull the male connector off. To disconnect PU tube from control unit, press blue ring on quick start connector and pull off the PU tube. This is the installation procedure for IT 2001.